Hey you guys, so it's me, it's Garlinda. I decided to do the Dollar Tree haul separate because I said I don't want the videos to be so long, and when I do the other video I really want to focus on the DIY. So super excited to come to you with a Dollar Tree haul on today. So I purposefully have been going to the Dollar Tree looking for jewelry making items, and so earlier this week or last week, I don't know, the days are starting to run together, right? I had the opportunity, I needed to go out of town. I sold a house a couple of one or two towns over, and I wanted to go out the Dollar Tree while I was there to see if they had anything different from our Dollar Tree here. And so then yesterday we were out and about running errands, and I said, well, let me run in the Dollar Tree. And so I've created quite the little haul. It's actually not little, it's kind of big, but I'm going to go through it really quickly, and I hope that you can find equally great stuff in your Dollar Trees as well. And just so you know, whenever I do buy stuff from the Dollar Tree, I normally will get 2 of each item, because that way, if it's stickers or if it's gems or some type of base that I can make jewelry out of, I don't want to not have everything I need in order to make a set of something. So I think that's super important. But with that being said, I didn't get a set of these, but I should have, right? So these are the cutest metal studs. I mean, they're not metal, they're probably like an acrylic, but they're very cute. And so it will add sparkle to any of your designs. I love that they look like, what's the word I'm looking for? Let me close this out right quick. Y'all give me 1 second. I love that they look like metal studs, right? But they're faceted. And so I think they're super cute. And I was just trying to get close out my YouTube channel over there I was editing. And so here they are, and see, these come in a line, so sometimes that can be a little frustrating that they're all connected. But see that little plastic piece right there? You can just snip that off with a pair of scissors or a nail clipper, and then you can add them on individually, or you can add them in a line down a jewelry item, but that little clear piece is going to be there as well. So I love these. They come in like a copper, a gold, and a silver. You can make so many incredible things out of that little zhuzh doodad, right? That's, we make up words in the South. And it also comes with glue. Now I probably won't use the glue. I don't want to say that I won't ever use it. You know, maybe we'll check it out and see what it's like. But it comes with a pack of glue on the back side. And just to give you an idea of where I found this in my Dollar Tree, so this is at the point of sale area. That's the area where the candy and the gum and all that stuff is. So it's not going to be on the aisles, it's going to be up by the cash registers. And I found them just on the end cap, just like this, hanging on the side. And I just walked around to see what it was, and I was like, oh my gosh, Becky, these are gems. So you can use these for so many different things. I also picked up some Mod Podge. I was hoping that they had the bigger bottles of it, and this isn't a new craft pickup for anybody that's a creative already, but I had Mod Podge Dimensional, but because I want to start doing some paper crafts similar to Diva Styles, shout out to Joyce McTeer, they do some paper designs that I think are super cute. And then there's a jewelry designer I follow over on Instagram, Funky Forever. Oh my gosh, her stuff is gorgeous. So I figured I needed to pick up some Mod Podge so I'd be able to do that with some really cool paper that I've had forever. And I was like, you know, I just thought the paper was super cool, but I never have made jewelry with paper on wooden bases. So we're going to be doing some funky designs with that. So then I got some more of the transparent tape. I'm going to do my best to remember to insert the video up here where I taught how you can use transparent tape as a DIY to get perfectly straight lines every time and add like dimension and pops of color to your jewelry. So I also found these today when I ran to the jewelry store this morning, and these are so beautiful, right? So these are actually Starburst gem stickers. And what's really cool is I'm going to open one up so you can see it. Let's open up the colorful one. So these come where they have like the gemstones are in 3s or 2s, or the super cute Starburst in the middle. So what I mean by that is, like, these can be pulled off, and that's a design of 3. You could put that on an earring, right? Or a design of 2, you could put that one on an earring. Or you can buy 2 of these and then peel that Starburst off the center, and that is one whole piece by itself. Now I didn't buy 2 of these because I didn't realize until I had to redo this video. So I didn't realize until I had done the other video there was actual Starburst in the center, and that would make such a beautiful centerpiece design. So you can use these to decorate wine glasses, scrapbooking, jewelry, whatever it is you want to use them for. But I design jewelry, so that's what I'm going to be using mine for. And so of course if you need 2 Starbursts the same color, you need to buy 2 packs of these, so therefore you buy 4. Another thing that I purchased, so last night I had run to this same Dollar Tree. We have about 7 or 8 in our area, right? But probably within 15 minutes of one another, there's 4 Dollar Trees that we can go to. But my favorite one, last night we were there because I had run in there to grab some wooden cubes I'm going to show you, and I saw these stencils. Well, I've been wanting to do some earring designs with like some numerical numbers and sayings on them, and I couldn't find any stencils, and so they had these stencils last night and I didn't pick them up, so I ran there this morning before I started my real work. Many of you know I own a real estate company and construction company here in North Carolina, and jewelry is my art therapy, right? And then teaching, I feel like God made me a teacher by trade, so I love sharing my designs and how I make things, and so I get to use the numbers down here across the bottom to make the idea I've kind of had in my head. So these are flexible, reusable stencils. Look like they'll be really easy to clean, and they had tons of them, right? Just super tons of them, and so you can use those in your design. Now I thought about Diva Styles when I picked these up, so shout out to you, sister, because she had done a video a while back on using felt to make jewelry. Not felt, foam to make jewelry, and so I found all these super cute foam stickers, and they were in geometric cutouts and patterns, and so I already have an idea of how I'm going to use them to make a pair of earrings, and so super excited to share that with you, because you can just zhuzh all this stuff up, you can bling it out, and you can make things super unique. So of course you probably already saw the pair that I have on that I made, and I had glued these wooden stars together and then put a dangle at the bottom, as I showed these in one of my other videos. And so just a super cute lightweight hanging pair of earrings. I used some super glue to glue the stars together. So there's so much you can do with these finds, with the things that we're able to pick up inexpensively. You could really make a great income from home, you know, while you're at home, and maybe some of you may be out of work due to COVID-19. You can be, again, creating and designing jewelry pretty inexpensively from home, selling it on social media. So that's another reason I love to share and give these ideas. And so this whole pack of foam stickers are so cute. They had them. They had a pack that had airplanes and John Deere tractor in them, but some of them didn't seem like they translated over without you having to explain to somebody what they were. The airplane you could make out, but the rest of them, the automobiles or the modes of transportation, were kind of hard to figure out, so I didn't get those. I just said let's stick with the geometric pattern. So that's one haul that we got. Let me just share with you a few more things, and then today, you already know, I want you to join me in the next video, because I'm going to be doing 5 DIYs, super quick projects. And I'm not saying the video is going to be quick, I'm saying the projects will be quick, showing you some ideas of things that you can make as well. And so I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. You got to let me know what you think of that idea. But look what I found. So because I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, I'm not going to open these up, because I already showed you these in a haul on Tuesday. And so these gorgeous butterflies are actually 2D, right? And they are pop-up butterflies, and so they're stickers, and they have this beautiful pops of color. They have a full base. You can use, I've used mine on earrings, obviously, right? But you could use them on cards, homemade cards, if that's what you're into. You could use them on frames. You could use them on dishes, glasses, whatever you want. Of course, you can't put it in a dishwasher because they are stickers. But you get 8 butterfly in each pack, and the reason I got 2 packs is because if you want to make jewelry out of them, you need matching sets, and 1 pack of butterflies does not have matching sets. But these come in greens, shades of green, shades of blue, shades of orange, shades of yellow, shades of pink. What was the other color I got? I can't remember. Shades of yellow, I believe, if I didn't say that. And so they are just really, really beautiful. So I'm thinking about doing a giveaway with those. Y'all can let me know what you think. And then the other items that I got 2 of these. Let me find the other one. I misplaced one somewhere, so let's go ahead and open this one up. Did it get stuck or something? Yeah. Sorry about that. I don't know where it got off to, but there are 2 of these somewhere. Oh, here it is. So anytime I'm buying stuff, I'm buying it in sets, right? Because if you want to make jewelry, you want to make multiples, then you need to have more than one. And not only that, the Dollar Tree, people scoop stuff up. You know, a lot of creatives and crafters, when they find something that they love, they'll buy it all because only $1, right? So when you see it, get it. Don't hem and haw about it, right? That's Southern for don't wait. So these stickers I thought were so cute. They have a metallic and gold sheen to them. I'm going to take it out so you can see them. But immediately when I saw it, I had picked it up. But then I didn't see but one. But you know, you have to look behind stuff at the Dollar Tree because people move stuff around. And sometimes it doesn't get put back where it's supposed to. So there is a camera. That's kind of what stood out to me. So I want to make something with that camera. There's a guitar. Some high top sneakers. What does that say? Awesome. Some headsets. And they're like a full base. So they're really, really pretty. And so got 2 of those. And something that I'm thinking about making, I love the brooches or the pins that the young lady I was mentioning to you over on Instagram, Funky Forever, she makes pins. And I have tons of pin backs. I have tons of barrettes. You know, because not everybody wants to wear oversized earrings. And not everyone is into earrings, but you know, some people love brooches for their jean jackets. They love them for their backpacks. They love to add them to all these different things. And so I feel like that these would make great brooches or great pins or barrettes. So just a thought, just an idea. So I also love cactuses, cacti. What's the other word? Succulents, right? I think that's what the little ones are called. I just think they are so cute. And so I already have an idea in mind for these, but I have to figure out in my mind. But these are actually puff stickers. They're raised a little bit, right? And they are so beautiful because look how they have like the gold dots on them. And these are like succulents. These are succulents as well, but they're different colors. And so I just think they're so beautiful. I have no clue what to do with the Grow Where Your Planet sticker. But, you know, some people love to put stickers on their laptops and their computers and things like that. Their notebooks, even though I know the kids are getting ready to get out of school. But I'm going to be using the cactus to make jewelry. I had made some cactus earrings before, and I think I've showed you those, but I'll show them to you again when I do the next earring showcase. And just show you how I use stickers from the Dollar Tree to embellish earrings. It will make your jewelry stand out. It will make it unique. I think the more unique you can make your jewelry versus just stringing beads or putting something together that everybody can do and making it your signature style, I think that will help your jewelry stand apart. And then these mass producers can't steal it, right? Because they won't be able to replicate your creativity. Just a thought. So Joyce McTeer, another creative here on YouTube, she shared that she had bought these at her Dollar Tree. And so our Dollar Tree had tons of these, the one I went in yesterday and today. And I'm actually going to drill holes in my little squares because I want to have square dangles that hang. And now I'm trying to decide if I want to paint them, which I'm sure I will, and how we're going to go about decorating them. But I think they are so cool. There's 36 pieces in here, so you can make 18 pairs of earrings. Or if you're going to do some type of brooch or something like that, however many you use, you know, you have multiples. So the other thing I love about these, that's not what I was going to say. I forgot to share with you the drill bits that you need to go with the Dremel handheld drill, because I was supposed to post a picture and I didn't because I had done the video from my computer and not my phone, I believe. But nevertheless, I'm going to share with you in the description box down below which Dremel I have and what size Dremel drill bits I have, because when you buy the handheld Dremel tool, I got mine from Lowe's. It also comes on Amazon, I think, as well. But it's not going to come with the bits that you need for jewelry design. So I got to share with you what size I got. And then the pièce de résistance, right? The final pieces. When I was in Sanford, I told you I had to go out of town. A few places over, just one county over, for a walkthrough. I went in that Dollar Tree to see if they had any jewelry making components as well. And look at these. So these are actually bobby pins with words on them. But what I'm planning to do is cut the long stem off right here, and to cut the long stem off. I think I just lost a pearl off of it. And cut the long stem off on the back. A pearl fell from somewhere, but you can't tell from where. Anyway. So I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm going to put Rockstar on a pair of earrings or a brooch or something like that. I'm not going to keep them and use them as earrings. So I thought they were really pretty. They came in silver, and then they also came in, I was trying to figure out where that went flying off, what was bouncing around, because I don't see where it's missing anything. I was even checking my ring, right? So these are like a rose gold, and so those are really pretty. So I want to cut the stems off and just put Rockstar on the earring base. So that is the haul. I think we got some great stuff. We're going to be able to make a lot of cool stuff with these. Oh, I found a little pearl that fell off. Let's see. Can't tell where it came from. Must have just been in the bag. So we'll save it just in case we need it. Then we'll know where it is. Right? And so that's something to think about. So with these, I just had that idea, because it does have the pearls on here and they could have the potential to come off. I'm going to cover those with super glue, because that way I can make sure they don't come off. That little pearl gave me that idea. So sometimes you have to make sure. So like even when you're doing the paper jewelry and you're putting that on wooden bases, that's the whole purpose of the Mod Podge, because then you can secure it and you don't have to worry about if it gets wet or something gets on it messing up the design piece. So there we go. Let me know what you think about doing a giveaway for the butterflies. I'll value your opinion. We'll see what you say, and then we'll go from there. But stay tuned for the DIYs. You're going to love them coming up, okay? Because there's a pendant that we're going to be making. I'm going to show you how to make a leopard print design using paint. Something so easy. I'm going to show you how to do polka dots. And I haven't decided what the other two are going to be yet, but stay tuned. We'll figure it out, okay? I'm Garlinda Price, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that alert button, so every time I do a video, you'll be notified, right? Hit the notifications button. So like, subscribe, hit notifications. Talk to y'all soon.